Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. We're going to do a high pony using the LULLABELLZ, I don't know how you say it, ponytail. I need to brush it, so sorry it's looking a bit ratchet. As you can tell, my hair is a lot redder than this ponytail, but when it's up it actually blends quite well. I recently dyed my hair a redder ginger and nothing matches. My extensions don't match or anything, so this is, I'm kind of glad that this doesn't look too bad when it's up, so ignore that if you can see a big difference. And also, first of all, I'm missing nails, ignore that, and secondly, I'm filming with natural daylight and it's actually like 5 or 6 in the evening, so if it suddenly goes a different colour then I do apologise. But without further ado, let's get into the hair tutorial. This is super easy and I love doing this look when my hair is a few days old, I don't want to wash it yet but it's getting to that greasy stage, because it's so slicked back that like greasy hair actually kind of help. I'm going to be using a few things. I'm going to be using this brush. I'm sorry it's got hair on it, that's kind of gross. And this is from Lily England and it's just one of those brushes which has the kind of plastic bristles, I don't know what you call this. I've got a comb. This is just a back comb from Lee Stafford. I have some Lee Stafford hairspray. This is the flexible hold hairspray. I really like this one. And then obviously I have my you're nasty. And of course we have the ponytail. This is the 22-inch ponytail from LULLABELLZ. And it is in the colour Auburn. So that is this. It actually, like I said before, matched my hair so well before I dyed it this colour, so ignore that. But I'm going to show you how you use it today, because when I first got this ponytail I couldn't find any tutorials online, so I'm going to show you how I do it. So first of all, you're going to want to take your hairbrush and you're going to want to just put all your hair back into a high bun. Now I'm going to do it into a ponytail first and then into a bun, just because it makes it more secure. And you can also add really cute things like braids in here, do like a Dutch braid down the middle, all that good stuff. So if you want a tutorial on some cute hairstyles using the ponytail, then let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you. So as you can see, I'm just putting my hair up into a ponytail. And you're actually going to want to pull it down a bit rather than up, but still making sure it's super tight, like so. And then you're just going to want to, well, you can do it however you want, but I like to twist my ponytail round into a bun like that, and then secure that with another elastic or hairband. I don't know why I just called it elastic. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hairspray and just spray it this, and I'm just going to like hold all my flyaways back like so. Now you've got your kind of high bun, you're ready to use the ponytail. So I really like using this because it's just a really easy hairstyle. If I'm not really feeling doing my hair but I want to like look really cute, or I've just spent too long doing my makeup and I'm running out of time to do my hair, this is a lifesaver. They have so many different lengths and styles and I really want to get some more, but my only problem is with these ponytails is that they shed so much. My one sheds so much, like literally my floor gets covered in its hair so quickly, and it's such a shame because I know that obviously that's making the ponytail thinner and obviously it's not going to grow back. It's not a real ponytail if you didn't know. So that's my only issue, and it gets very knotty very easily, and I assume that's because it's synthetic, but I've had synthetic wigs before which do not get this knotty. So if you're not planning on wearing it on like an everyday basis then you'll be fine, but I do really struggle with how knotty it can get, but nonetheless I do love it. So as you can see from the inside of the ponytail, you have two clips. You have one at the bottom and one at the top, and you can tell that it's the bottom because it has this little bit here and that's going to be basically what's going to secure it together. It also has some kind of extension clips, but I don't personally use them. You can if you want, I don't personally use them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top clip and I'm going to put it in here right underneath the hairband, basically, just to secure it in at the top. So you're going to push it in and then you're going to try and get underneath, and with the one that's underneath as well, you're going to push that in underneath, and then you're going to find the little elastic. Whoop. I like to shove it all to the opposite side, and then you're going to just pull the elastic, and it's almost like a drawstring bag, and you're going to just tighten it. So I'm pulling it really tight underneath, and then with the elastic I like to just wrap it around and so it gets really tangly, and tuck it underneath and try and keep it out of the way. I just like to brush through the ponytail like this. Now you can leave it like this, but what I like to do, because I feel like this bit at the top looks really strange, I like to take a section, not from the very top, you want to take one which is like underneath, basically. Ugh, so tangly. See, like they brush out really easily, but it just gets really like tangled with each other. So I'm going to take about maybe an inch or two of hair. Like this is quite a big chunk, and that's because it's quite a big ponytail and you've got to kind of cover this top bit. So I take it round and underneath, again, sorry, my mirror is over here, wrap it round again, and then underneath at the back I'm going to take a hair grip, pin it into place, and then bring it all around to the front, brush it out again. Just make sure you kind of mould it round your bun. And the reason why I put the bun a little bit like lower down than on top of my head is because, as you can see, this kind of puffs up and over. So if you have it right on top of your head, it literally looks like you've got a pineapple on your head, and I don't think anyone wants to look like they have a pineapple on their head. So as you can see, it's kind of designed to do the whole flicky in blow dry moment. So I like to kind of brush it and make sure it's in, clip any baby hairs out of the way. I have lots of broken off hair underneath, so I have to clip it all up. And that is how you put in your ponytail. I just think this is like the easiest, cutest hairstyle. Like I said, if you're running late for something, if you're literally, I don't know, having a no makeup day but you still want your hair to look really put together, your hair is greasy and needs a wash but you can't be bothered to wash it, this is perfect for all of those things. I really want to get the short ones. They have some like mini ponytails which I think are beautiful, so I really want to try those, and they have some like wavy ones. So yeah, there's so many that I want to get, but I love this one. It'll be linked in the description along with all the products I use, like the hairspray and the brushes, because these are a cute little brush set. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope it helped. If you want me to do some more tutorials using this piece, or maybe some of the other pieces if I buy some more, then let me know in the comments, or just in general some easy hairstyles, I'm happy to do that too. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They are at Abby with 10 A's, and if you want to see how I did this makeup look as well, that's going to be on Instagram very shortly, so keep an eye out for that as well. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.